See, we have different laws governing this. We have the NGT. I think NGT usually take cognizance of all these concerns. It should be because, see, this whole issue of pollution, we are talking about spatially one particular area which is bordering Assam. Now, therefore, it is not just the industries in our side, it is also the industries which is on the other side of our Assam Meghalaya border. Therefore, there has to be collective endeavor involving the authorities of both the states, and we must come up with desired solution to. There are a number of interventions which will have to be required to be placed by the respective industries. They should comply with different parameters required to be followed to address the concern of those emission and pollution, the resultant pollution. All these things require serious focus and priority. And now, absence of dealing with these challenges only reflects their priorities. So this should be one of the priorities. It must be taken as one of the priorities because it will have serious ramification on the well-being, on the health of the people there.